First, Ben,
What?
state your name.
Ben.
How old are you?
9.
And where are we?
Chewing bazooka.
Where are we?
Ocean City.
Ocean City, New Jersey.
And what year is it?
2011.
And what
Why am I doing
do you hope to do when you're at the beach?
Why am I doing this?
Okay, forget it.
No.
Okay.
Go mini golfing.
Good. Okay. Good answer. Okay.
Dad,
One thing
Throw
at a
the
time.
ball at you.
Easy, guys.
Okay.
My wish came true.
Who's next? Sage.
Benjamin.
And who are you?
Sage.
And how old are you? Oh my gosh.
6.
You guys are 6?
Hey. Yeah.
And are you excited to be on vacation together?
Awesome. Give me.
And what are we gonna do at the beach? Ava, what did you already eat today?
I don't know.
Chocolate.
Chocolate covered bacon.
Mmm.
So did I.
That's gross.
No, it's good. How dare you say that? Yeah, how dare you?
Okay, shush. Okay,